been to many places, looking for new adventures in life, finally found that happiness is more than just a destination. It's the unforgettable moments that touch your heart along the way. Happiness is a smile from a stranger, the joy of being in new surroundings, the excitement of stepping into the unknown, or an unexpected encounter. It's the shared joy of traveling, and acceptance regardless of national boundaries. A shared kindness, and the joy of having you with us along the way. So come on, set out to a new place with Yutong. Experience the joy of travel. A different world, the same Yutong.
Yutong 为美好出行。
Better bus, better life.